Hello guys, welcome and welcome back to Rukias kitchen. Today I'll be showing you how to make these tasty and easy cheese spring rolls known as Asabe zeinab. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please kindly do so you don't get to miss any of my videos each and every week. Then stay tuned and enjoy my recipe. On today's recipe, you're going to need 1 box of kiri cheese. You're also going to need Springrolls pastry, the smallest one, and lastly a flour paste to attach the Springrolls. So the first step, I'm going to remove the cheese out from the box. As you can see, the cheese are in small cubic shapes. Then I'm going to cut the pastry packets. I will only use 1/4 of the pastry. Then afterwards, you're going to unwrap the cheese slowly to avoid from mashing them. Once you're done, you're going to cut the cheese into 2. This is really important so that you can able to wrap the spring rolls properly. Afterwards, you're going to wrap the spring rolls. Take 2 half pieces of cheese, place on the pastry and fold it. When you're at the end, attach it with some flour paste and on both ends. Continue with the remaining spring rolls till you're done, and then we're going to deep fry them in the oil. Place some oil in the pot, let it heat up on a medium heat, and dip the spring rolls one at a time and cook them on a medium heat. Cook the spring rolls on a medium heat till golden brown. Once your spring rolls are golden brown like this, then your spring rolls are ready, and remove them from the oil and place on a plate. Lastly, I'm going to pour some condensed milk, or you can also pour some syrup, or you can just eat them like that. Then I'm going to garnish them with almonds, or you can also garnish them with some pistachio. And my cheese spring rolls are ready, as you can see in the video, and enjoy your cheese spring rolls. Thank you for watching my video and hope you loved it. And if you want to see other recipes on how to make different types of spring rolls, I'll put the links in the description box. And if you have any questions, you can comment down below, or you can follow me on my social media, Facebook and Instagram for further questions. And thank you once again. Bye bye.